How to solve KineMaster update problem. Are you experiencing issues updating your KineMaster app? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to resolve any update problems you may encounter. Search Settings app from search bar of your phone. Search date and time in Settings. Click Date and Time. Click to turn off automatic time zone. Then click Use Network Provided Time and turn it off from drop-down. Click Set Date and select any date from past days or years. Click OK button. Close Settings. Now open your KineMaster app to see the magic. And there you have it by following these steps. Thanks for watching and happy editing.